I'm really nervous because...
Okay. So I just wrote down some basic questions. Name the 6 levels of organization in order
I got
in
this.
the body.
Crusty.
Just like my... What do I usually call these?
Oh, 99 cents.
99 cents.
What grade did I get?
Well, Anatomy Brad here. This is my wife, JoAn. We're doing a review of all of our anatomy subjects. So we started to learn some of the basic concepts of anatomy. What you don't know is my wife, JoAn, is really good with all the tech stuff. I'm good about talking about all the anatomy information, but I have no idea how to get it on YouTube. So she's been doing all of this for me. So what I'm doing is a little test to see how much of the information she's actually captured. Because we've posted about 20 videos or so, and she will there once in a while just spit out knowledge she's learned, but I want to experiment with it and see. I'm going to ask her some basic questions. She doesn't know what they are, and see if she can answer them, and we'll see how well
I don't know. I don't think I know very much because I'm not trying to learn anatomy. I'm just learning for certain things in the video to edit.
But I thought it'd be good to do this because she's busy and focused on something else, not actually learning the material. And this is what happens to my students in class, that they're not focusing on the studying, and so they're not capturing the information.
I'm really nervous because...
Okay. So I just wrote down some basic questions.
I don't know.
I don't expect her to get it because she's not learning it, right? But this is what happens in class. Okay, ready?
Okay, sure.
All right.
Sure.
We'll start very basic. And these are questions you can consider to study, because this is how you build the foundation of the language. All right, here we go.
Okay.
We talked about levels of organization of the body. Starting point. Name the 6 levels of organization in order from least complex to most complex. Levels of organization.
Okay, if I say the answer, don't tell me right away until I say I don't know, because sometimes I would think out loud.
Okay.
I don't know what the first one is. Chemicals.
Chemicals is correct.
Okay. Cell.
Cells. Put a bunch of cells together and you get?
I know organs, it's in there. I want to say bundles of cells, but I feel like I should know this.
That is true. You put cells together, you get a bundle of them.
What is next? Tissue.
Tissues. You put a bunch of cells together that are similar in...
Similar in what?
Well,
like what the next one is?
Structure.
Organ.
To give me tissues, put some tissues together.
What are we at? 4?
You got
chemicals,
cells,
tissue, organ.
Yeah.
You put the organs together for a system.
Yep. How many systems do we have?
I have no idea.
11.
11. And then a person?
Use the organism. Yes.
What happened to the bones and the muscle?
No, that's part of the organ systems.
Okay.
There's 11 systems. All right, so we got it.
Okay, I got it. I got
Chemicals,
it. Okay, cool.
Cells,
Oh,
put
good.
cells together, give me tissues, organs, organ systems, gives you as an organism.
You
So
have your
not
teacher
bad.
voice on.
Well, that's what I'm doing. All right.
And what's next?
Now that we learned levels of organism, we said tissues, the 4 basic types of tissue in the body.
Connective, epithelial,
Yes.
muscle,
Yes.
nervous.
Yes. So I tend to teach in this order. Epithelial, connective, muscle, nervous. Okay, bonus question. Give me an example in the body where you find epithelial.
I don't know.
All right. The skin, epidermis. Epidermis is a good one.
I don't know.
Okay. Connective.
I feel like it should be easy.
This one should.
I don't know.
What connects our body?
Ligaments?
Ligaments is one.
Okay.
Bones is usually.
Oh, bones.
Okay, so bones. Muscle.
In
Sometimes
the muscle?
it's so obvious. that
Muscle?
yeah, skeletal muscle.
You have to name like skeletal muscle, or can you...
That's fine. Yeah.
Okay.
But our 3 examples, right? Smooth, cardiac, and skeletal.
This is hard.
And nervous tissue, like where do you find nervous tissue?
Around the nerves?
Well, yeah, I guess you could say that. But brain and spinal cord are usually pretty good.
Brain,
Okay, so 4 types of tissue in the body. I say this over and over again. Epithelial,
connective, muscle, nervous. Okay.
Epithelial tissue, we start to describe it.
I'm not going to get anything else.
Yes, you will. You've done this because you said it to me. What are the 4 characteristics or properties that epithelial tissue have? 4 characteristics, and we write out an acronym for it.
Oh, crap.
Crap. Epithelial tissue is a bunch of crap. So now what is crap? C means...
Crusty.
Just like my students. Cellularity.
Oh, yeah, I'm not going to get
And
that.
what does cellularity mean? Do you remember?
No.
Okay, remember the cells are bunched all tight together relative to the other tissue types, okay?
I'm going to have to pay more
What's
attention.
the R?
Regulation. Regenerative.
Regeneration, yes. So
Regeneration.
regeneration. What does that mean?
I don't know. Like it I don't know. It
Regenerates the fastest, right? What do I usually call these?
Oh, 99 cent
99
cells.
cent cells, right? A lot of people will talk about that. There's the cheaper cells. I just keep making a lot of them. Make it rain, okay?
Okay.
What's the A? And we're on crap. C-R-A-P.
Oh, I don't know.
So avascular.
Oh, okay.
A means
Babe,
without?
I don't know anything else. I don't know anything else. No, I don't know about the A. I
there's
don't know
no
about
blood
the P.
supply. We get it from the underlying connective tissue. Doesn't mean that epithelial tissue won't bleed, right? We know our skin bleeds, but there's no pipes. Whereas connective tissue has the blood vessels. All right.
Are we on the P already?
We
Was
gotta
that
get to
the A?
P. No, that was A.
P. Oh, P.
P is usually the hardest for
P.
students.
Polarity?
Polarity. And polarity means...
I have no idea.
Okay, what do we talk about a battery?
It catches fire.
Polarity, there's a positive and a negative.
right,
so
right,
there's
right.
2 distinct sides. When we look at the other tissues, we don't see like a top and a bottom or an inside and out or 2 sides. And we called those 2 sides the basal surface and the apical surface.
I feel like...
Okay. In review,
This is really making me look dumb.
it just shows if you're not paying attention, she's busy doing the other tasks, right? So it's a great thing for you to understand
I
the
didn't
student.
realize there was going to be a test. I would have paid more attention.
Well, now we're going to keep testing.
Yeah.
So crap is epithelial tissue. Cellularity, regeneration, avascular, and polarity.
Please don't ask me any more questions. Is there
No,
more?
we got. Let's do one more. Okay.
Oh,
No,
I don't know.
You already looked? Well, I was going to ask her what the serous membranes are
Serous.
because we're going into epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue we find in serous membranes. We did a video on tissue membranes, which includes 3 types of epithelial tissue membranes because we did cutaneous, we did mucous membranes, and serous membranes. Not serious, serous.
I don't remember any of this.
All right. Well,
in
there's
the
2
videos.
membranes when we talk about our organs, visceral and parietal, and then you put it together with the organ. If we cover the heart directly, it's visceral. You might remember this. Pericardium.
Oh, right. The picture.
Yeah, there's a picture.
And it goes on the inside and the
Yes.
outside.
Yes.
And something with the lungs.
Yeah.
A pericardium is the heart.
Referring to the heart.
And-
lungs is
I don't remember.
plural.
Oh,
We
plural.
talk about collapsed lung. JoAn's a psychology business major, so it's not like she's taken these.
Well, I took AMP over 20 years
Okay,
ago.
well, 20 years.
And I think I got a C.
But if it's a language, right? If you don't speak the language, I speak it every semester. So I have to learn the language of anatomy. That's how I remember it. But I'm also now teaching it to her. A good test, if we did this in a week and we asked these 4 questions, could she do better?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Maybe
But
a
how do
little
you
bit.
get better?
You gotta teach somebody
Gotta
else.
teach it to somebody else. That's how I know it.
What grade did I get?
Well, I would say, I don't know. We'll just say okay.
Fail. I'll be taking your class again the following semester. That's it. We'll
That's
just
it.
end
Watch the video.
No, we're just gonna end like that. Those
I
were
thought that
hard
well.
questions.
No,
Yes.
these are the basics.
I know, but I didn't realize I was gonna be tested.